Hello kids, welcome to my new video. First we're going to know the color's name. Red color, pink color, chocolate color, orange color, blue color, green color and black color. Now let's learn the 2D shapes. Circle, square, pentagon, rectangle, triangle and star. First we're going to draw the shapes. Circle, square, pentagon, rectangle, triangle and star. Now we're going to put the color. Green color, circle, next blue color, square, next red color, pentagon, next chocolate color, rectangle, next pink color, triangle, next orange color, star, what we learned green color, circle, blue color, square, red color, pentagon, chocolate color, rectangle, pink color, triangle, orange color, star. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.